say. It's a collision of taste buds, if I may. Pardon my analogy there. But the number one here, I kind of did them ahead of time because we were 6 and I didn't want to bore you guys. But the blinker fluid, it's a Kolsch, and look at the clarity color on this. Look at that. You know, it's a purple, it's blue, you know, maybe it's a blue dress, maybe it's whatever it is. On the internet, you can debate what color it is, but in terms of what's in it, butterfly tea, blue juniper berries, herbal and floral notes. It's oh so good. Just a really phenomenal beer. It surprised me when I saw it because I ordered a Kolsch. But boy, do not steer away from this. Again, collision in it, you know, little thing there. But other than that, it's a wonderful place. This is Longmont, Colorado, a nice little suburb, if you will, of Denver. Just get yourself out here, get yourself some beer, get yourself some food, and enjoy the day. I mean, what can I say? Life is good.